Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023, sort of, is $0.07296 to $0.09690, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge cost could basically reach $0.5 soon, which by and large is very huge. Negative Doge cost expectation for 2023, all things considered, is $0.04367. In this Dogecoin, Doge cost expectation 2023, we will examine the value examples of Doge by utilizing precise merchant cordial specialized examination pointers and by and large, foresee the future development of the digital currency in an especially significant manner. What for the most part is Dogecoin, Doge? Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is a by and large notable image coin, which sort of begun as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013, or so they for the most part thought. The coin in every way that really matters was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, enlivened by the viral Doge image highlighting the Shiba Inu K9 variety. It works as a shared and open-source cryptographic money, which is very critical. Rather than Bitcoin, Dogecoin uses a proof-of-work (POW) agreement system in light of the script calculation, bringing about quicker block handling times in an unpretentious manner. While Bitcoin requires close to 10 minutes to deal with a block, Dogecoin accomplishes this in only one moment, which by and large is very huge. Eminently, Tesla chief Elon Musk essentially has freely communicated his affection for Dogecoin, and his tweets and ceaseless help truly have fundamentally assumed a huge part in driving striking cost floods for the image coin in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Elon Musk's association and supports explicitly have generally added to the broad acknowledgement and prominence of Dogecoin in the digital money local area in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin 24H Technicals Dogecoin, Doge, Value Forecast 2023 Dogecoin, Doge, positions 9th based on market cap in conditions of its market capitalization in an unobtrusive manner. The outline of the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 generally is in every practical sense made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time span in an unobtrusive manner. In the above diagram, Dogecoin, Doge, spread out the dropping divert design in a significant manner. Plummeting channel designs are essentially momentary negative in that a stock maneuvers lower inside a diving channel, however they frequently structure most certainly longer-term upswings as continuation designs in an unobtrusive manner. The dropping channel design truly is many times commonly followed by kind of more exorbitant costs. In any case, solely after a potential gain entrance of the kind of upper pattern line in an unobtrusive manner. A sliding channel for the most part is drawn by interfacing the certainly worse high points and by and large worse low points of a security's cost, with commonly equal trend lines to show in an every practical sense descending pattern, which truly is very critical. Inside a sliding channel, a merchant could for the most part make a selling bet when the security cost by and large arrives at its opposition trendline, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. A rising channel by and large is the sort of inverse of a diving divert in an unpretentious manner. Both climbing and dropping channels are exceptionally essential channels truly followed by specialized investigators. At the hour of examination, the cost of Dogecoin, Doge, sort of was recorded at $0.06116 by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could truly arrive at the opposition levels of $0.08449 and $0.11115 in an unobtrusive way. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of $0.06672 and $0.05568 amazingly. Dogecoin, Doge, opposition and backing levels. The outline given beneath clarifies the kind of conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin, Doge, in 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. From the above outline, we can generally dissect and recognize the accompanying as obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin, Doge, for 2023 in a genuinely huge way. The specialized examination pointers kind of like truly relative volume, RVOL, moving normal, MAMA, and relative strength file, RSI, of Dogecoin, Doge, basically are displayed in the graph underneath. In the underneath diagram, we fundamentally break down the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin, Doge, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers normal directional file, ADX, and relative instability record, RVI, so diving channel designs essentially are exceptionally transient negative in that a stock maneuvers kind of lower inside a plunging channel. However, they frequently structure longer-term upswings as continuation designs in a very significant manner. From the readings on the diagram above, we can make the accompanying deductions in regards to the value force of Dogecoin, Doge, or so they explicitly thought. From the above graph, we can explicitly decipher that the value activity of Doge by and large is like that of BTC and ETH, or so they sort of thought. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Doge likewise increments or diminishes separately. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Forecast 2024, 2025, 2030, with the assistance of the by and large previously mentioned specialized investigation markers and pattern designs, especially let us explicitly anticipate the cost of Dogecoin, Doge, between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. If Dogecoin, Doge, secures itself as a truly wise interest in 2023, this year would sort of be ideal for the digital money, in opposition to prevalent thinking. All in all, the bullish Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.09690, or so they most certainly thought. Nearly, in the event that negative opinion sort of is set off, the negative Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.04367, or so they explicitly thought. In the event that the market force and financial backers feeling decidedly raises, Dogecoin, Doge, could especially hit $0.5 in an unobtrusive way. Besides, with future overhauls and progressions in the Dogecoin environment, Doge could for the most part outperform its exceptionally current all-time, commonly high, ATH, of $0.7376 and mark its new ATH, showing how in the beneath outline. We for the most part dissect the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin, Doge, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers by and large normal directional record, ADX, and kind of relative unpredictability file, RVI. So diving channel designs explicitly are especially transient negative in that the stock maneuvers for the most part lower inside a plunging channel. Yet they frequently structure certainly longer-term upswings as continuation designs, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Fact 1, which especially is genuinely critical. What sort of is Dogecoin, Doge, in a by and large significant way? Dogecoin, Doge, basically is the trailblazer image coin that truly raised a ruckus around town in certainly late 2013. Which truly is very critical. It by and large was conceived out of a viral canine image, so the diving channel design in every practical sense is many times followed by a lot greater costs, or so they generally thought. The Dogecoin network in a real sense was a fork of Litecoin in a very huge manner. 2 in a significant manner. Where could you at any point buy Dogecoin, Doge, which basically is very critical. Dealers can exchange Dogecoin, Doge, on the accompanying digital currency trades, certainly like